हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ यू ऑल? कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? आई होप यू ऑल मस्ट बी हैविंग अ ग्रेट टाइम एंड मस्ट बी यूटिलाइजिंग दिस सीरीज फॉर योर अपकमिंग examination, guys. Now let us move ahead in our Indian geography mapping series, and we will be seeing the last lecture on river system, guys. This is going to be the last lecture on river system, as prior to this we have already covered the major river systems of our country in the form of Indus, Brahmaputra, Ganga, and you will be finding the peninsular river system, right? So we have, that is the 80% of river system, guys, but we will not leave even the 20% also. And I hope you are, those who are following it regularly without any breaks or without any delay, I hope you are understanding that difference, that now you are not just knowing the names, you are as it is knowing their places, the roots, and if you are revising it well, you are not going to forget and you are not going to do any silly mistake in the examination, guys. The way UPSC traps, it traps on silly things only in river system, right? So I hope all this is making sense and you can see the difference in your knowledge base, that now you can store things in your head, not only in your notes, right? And that is the major focus of when I am teaching you something. Okay. Okay, so today's class we are going to see the smaller river system, guys. Smaller river system approach will be quite different. Okay, now those students who are directly coming to this video, I would suggest them to see it from the starting, because then you will be able to connect more and get more things, because I have discussed in an order of the things, right? Order of this river system. So in smaller river system, you try to understand. Till now we have covered the major river system as Indus, Ganga, uh, if you want to draw it in a better way, then you can draw it like this: Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri over here. These are the major river system. Now we will not also leave, again I am saying you, because smaller river system in exam utility is less, but you will not leave any chance that if a smaller river system comes, then you should know it. So we will be seeing certain smaller river system originating in the eastern areas, flowing in Bay of Bengal, in the western areas, flowing in this Arabian Sea, right? We are going to understand every and important one. Now there are numerous small rivers with respect to a particular state. You try to understand. So your focus is, should not be that you have to cover all the small details of the rivers of a particular state. Then you will never be able to cover this river system, right? If you are focusing upon certain state PCS, then you can focus more upon the geography small rivers of that particular state. But for the Union Public Service Commission, union level examination, you don't need the information on much smaller rivers. Okay? But we will not leave. So how I have framed this lecture, I will be giving you the details of important rivers which are mentioned in NCERT. Also, what have been asked in UPSC, all examination, only UPSC, because state PCS we cannot see, because state PCS they will be asking you some small rivers as well. You will be finding n numbers of thousands of small rivulets in Uttarakhand states itself, right? So UPSC other examination, CDS, CAPF, if they have asked any smaller river, then I'll be giving you the information of that. But once you have done the smaller river system as well, your river system topic will be strong, guys. Those who are following it wholeheartedly through the first lecture of world mapping itself, really appreciate it, and I hope you are still connected and not delaying the lectures. Okay, I have like not keeping it for the end. Okay, because I would suggest you in the starting also I have told you keep 30 minutes always for mapping. Okay, always until you get your name in the merit list. Okay, because these are the question which you can do short in the prelims examination. यहाँ पर कोई दो dubious नहीं होते ये question, confusion based नहीं होते ये question, right? या तो आपको आता है, either you know it or you don't know. ठीक है. So with this, let us start our smaller river system, guys. So for this particular part of smaller river system, I will be taking you first to the eastern part and what all rivers, smaller rivers which are flowing in the eastern part. Before going to see the content, try to understand the utility of how it can come in the examination. In UPSC Civil Services, this particular question, smaller river system question have not come enough. Like only one or two you will be finding in last 10 years. But that gives a sense of that how we should cover this smaller river system. That makes us understand it from these questions and try to see this question. Very, very important question, guys. Very important, a good question, I would say, that they have framed. At that point of time when this question came, it was 2020 or 2021 prelims, and it was a moderately difficult question, guys. Okay, and all the rivers which you will see over here are not easy. Okay, these are not, you will be finding that are not, you will be finding that these are major river system like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. ठीक है, ये छोटी छोटी रिवर्स हैं आपकी देखने को मिलेगी. ठीक है. Now how they have merged this question with Eastern Ghats and the river system over here. Now this question was comparatively, I have added moderate because over here, because of the options, you can arrive to the answer. Alright, because Subramekha all might have heard, Brahmani all might have heard, but not Nagvali and Vamsadhara exact location. So with the help of options, you can reach. But right now, if you are appearing for 2026, 2027, would you think that options will come like this? That means now you have to know the things exactly whatever you are reading, guys. Okay. So all these river systems we are going to understand in the right manners. Two approach I have told you, that how you have to see these rivers. Now the routes are not exactly important. Now what is important? The state which it is flowing from. States involved over here. Also like it is flowing into the Bay of Bengal or the Arabian Sea or the Indian Ocean. Like this you should have certain understanding. That's enough for these smaller river system, guys. Okay. So let me take you to this particular Jharkhand state, as I was telling you, because from here a lot of smaller rivers, important smaller rivers are emerging, right? So first of all, see the Jharkhand map and focus only where I am letting you focus. Idhar udhar mat dekhna, otherwise you will get confused. First of all, you see the outline of Jharkhand state. This is the outline. Now pause the video, and if I ask you to map the neighboring state of Jharkhand, how many states are getting touched with Jharkhand? Try to do this exercise, and let me tell you, there is no separate code, separate topic for the understanding of states. ये आपको ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, and I am helping you out to see from this perspective as well. So when you will be seeing Jharkhand, you are seeing North Bihar. From here, UP is also getting connected. From here, Chhattisgarh is also getting connected. Odisha, West Bengal. ठीक है, तो दीज आर द स्टेट्स विच आर गेटिंग कनेक्टेड विद झारखंड. ये कोई आपको अलग से थोड़ा ना पड़ाएगा, आपको थोड़ा सा अपना नजरिया रखना है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ओपनिंग अप स्टेट्स फॉर एज वेल फॉर यू गाइस. ठीक है, फ्रॉम एंड वी आई एम मेकिंग यू इलेबोरेट, आई एम गिविंग यू इलेबोरेट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आल्सो फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज emerging. In fact, with the most important river system like Ganges, I have told you the exact route from Indus, exact routes, right? So like this, first of all, Jharkhand you have seen. Now when you will be seeing the Jharkhand, you will find one particular see over here, one particular districts, that is Loha Darga over here, Loha Darga. Now no need to remember the districts. ठीक है, over here this is a plateau region, इसे हजारीबाग प्लेट्यू भी आप बोल सकते हो. Now from here you will be finding that Damodar, now the heading will be Damodar river. Under smaller river you are seeing Damodar river. So you will be finding Damodar river will be emerging from here. From the, no need to see the exact, again I am telling you districts. Try to understand that this is middle above of Jharkhand, right? And from here it is flowing, and it will be flowing into Odisha or West Bengal. It will be flowing into West Bengal. So let me take you to the West Bengal map. Only see what I am telling you. So when it is flowing like this, over here one hydroelectric project is there. Again hydroelectric project, there are n number of hydroelectric projects. In Uttarakhand state only 500 plus hydroelectric project you will find. तो सारे नहीं कर सकते हैं. Whatever there will be important hydroelectric reserves. If you want, I'll be making the separate video for that. ठीक है. So over here one reservoir you will be finding, that is Panchot reservoir on Damodar river, and then Damodar is flowing like this and is merging with the Hogli river, which is coming as a distributary of Ganga. So Damodar is actually a tributary of Hogli which is a distributary of Ganga. This you keep in your mind first of all. With respect to, I have told you Damodar, ठीक है, Damodar river system. Now you find that one more river is originating in Jharkhand, and it is the, now no need to see all these reservoirs. Jharkhand state PCS students will be reading more about it, and this video is specifically for the union level examination. So be sure they will not ask you these small reservoir. Even if they will ask, that will be difficult for all. Right, I am told you 500 plus reservoirs are there in, or hydroelectric projects are there in a particular state. So Barakar River is a tributary of Damodar River. So two rivers junction you should understand, Barakar and Damodar. Anytime they can give you this Barakar as an option as well, right? Like this, the question you have seen. Okay. Now you try to understand that this is originating from this Hazaribagh plateau over here. Okay, and you have seen Damodar plus Barakar. Now below it, if you will be finding, you will be seeing the capital city of Jharkhand, that is Ranchi, and from nearby here you will be finding one more important river will be emerging, and that is your Subranekha, guys. Now my question to you, will Subranekha involve Odisha also? And what is the mouth of this Subranekha river, in the West Bengal state or Odisha state? Pause the video and think, and you will get confused, right? This confusion we have to eradicate, and that the UPSC examiner can also think that where people might get confused. People will be knowing that Subranekha is flowing in the east, but where is the mouth? Is it in Odisha or is it in West Bengal? Right? Let us see. So this is basically Subranekha is rising, going into West Bengal, then flowing out in again Jharkhand river, then flowing in southeast direction, then flowing as the border between Odisha and West Bengal. Let me show you ahead now. Odisha and West Bengal over here, guys. See this top portion only. See top portion. Odisha and West Bengal, right? West Bengal it will be flowing. Then it will be coming again in Odisha and forming the mouth over here in Odisha. So understand, very, very important, Subranekha. And this is important from the point of view of the order of the rivers also. Like Subranekha, like you will be finding Brahmani, you will be finding Vamsadhara, you will be finding Pallar, Villar, right, Pennar. Like this order you should remember of these rivers, and we will be seeing it one by one, don't worry. Okay, but there are going to come a lot of rivers over here which you have to remember, right? So I have told you about this Subranekha as well. Now you see the next river which is important is from the Ranchi itself. One South Koel river will be emerging and going to Odisha, and from here one Sankh river will be coming and going to Odisha, merging together. So Sankh and South Koel will be merging in Odisha and forming one important river, that is Brahmani. Brahmani river. Notice, I'll make you notice one more important thing. But right now, have you understood that South Koel, Sankh, Brahmani? There is one unit of that. If you will be seeing the above northern part or northeastern part, from here North Koel river is emerging and joining your Son river, guys, which I have told you in the Ganga river system as well. So North Koel river is emerging like this. Now you notice one thing from here, that if this is Jharkhand, then one is Damodar Barakar merging with Hooghly. Then over here Subranekha you have understood. Then over here you have understood about South Koel and Shankh and Brahmani. Then you have understood about North Koel over here. So what type of drainage pattern you are seeing? That from everywhere you are finding rivers are emerging, and this pattern is known as radial drainage pattern. Now radial drainage pattern is unique in India, not only over here Jharkhand, but in few more places you will be finding. For example, in Gujarat also I'll be showing you this type of radial drainage pattern. Now this specifically happens with the smaller river system, right? So this is one thing. Now let me complete the route of Brahmani. They go over here Sankh, over here South Koel meeting together, and then going to Odisha, major North Odisha they are flowing, right? And then over here they will be merging with one major river of Odisha, that is Mahanadi, which we will be covering after this. Okay, so I hope you have understood the major river systems or major smaller rivers of Jharkhand region, which is important because a lot of states are involved over here as well. Right now, there might be more, like over here also you are seeing some type of information. No, this is not needed, guys. Okay. Whatever is important, I am telling you. So in your map, I hope you are first of all making it broad. This is your Damodar, Hooghly, Barakar. This is your South Koel, Shankh, Brahmani. This is your North Koel. this is your Subranekha. ठीक है, तो this area should be cleared now. It should not be chaotic for you. Keep it clean, keep it separate. ठीक है. Now next we will be seeing the next major river of the eastern side, east flowing river, that is your Mahanadi, guys. One of the important river system of two major states, that is Chhattisgarh and Odisha, that is Mahanadi. Now you try to understand this Mahanadi. For Mahanadi, now I have to open up for this Chhattisgarh for you because the origin is somewhere in Chhattisgarh. Let me take to you the Chhattisgarh map. In Chhattisgarh map, when you will be finding one district below Raipur. You see, this is Raipur, okay, in between. And below that, Dhammatari over here district you will be finding. Those people who are from here must be understanding in detail, right? Dhammatari. But this all have to understand. Now from here you will be finding somewhere from here, the origin of Mahanadi river. This is somewhere you will be finding the origin of Mahanadi river. So in Dhammatari district you will be finding one hills, that is Sihava hills. And from these hills the Mahanadi will be emerging and will be joining over here, or will be going inside this Odisha state, right guys? So it will be flowing from the city as well over here, Raipur, right? And will be flowing like this and will be entering from the north side. But when it is going over here, you will be finding reservoir, and when reservoir is there, then somebody must have created dam over here. So one important dam which you will be finding over here is Hirakud hydroelectric project, guys. Important dam which is present in this Odisha state, right? So let me take you to the Odisha state as well. So come over here. Now you must be understanding the Sihava hills, this route, this particular reservoir, and then you are coming inside the Odisha and you are flowing like this, and somewhere it will flow in branches now, and one of the branch will merge with the Brahmani. So sometimes it is said that Brahmani is the tributary of Mahanadi. Yes, you can call it, but if you will see that Brahmani will be branched out to several areas. So this is a Brahmani over here, this is Mahanadi forming the delta over here. I hope you are understanding. This river over here is Baitarani. ठीक है, this river I hope you are understanding. This is Subranekha. Now you try to understand the order in which it is. Subranekha, Baitarani, Brahmani, Mahanadi. When you are seeing and giving sufficient time to these rivers, small river system also, then confusion will not happen, guys. ठीक है, confusion कब होती है? जब आप 5 मिनट में ऐसे आप बनाने की कोशिश करोगे, ये महानदी रहा, ये ब्राह्मणी, एंड ये जब ऐसे आप करोगे तुरंत तो नहीं हो पाएगा. इस इनिशियली यू हैव टू स्पेंड टाइम, राइट? All right. So this is one major river, Mahanadi. Mahanadi's tributary also we have to focus upon, but we will be seeing it. Okay, just give me time. In the south, you will be finding that from Odisha, this Indravati we have already seen, flowing in Chhattisgarh as well, and merging with Godavari. Okay, so this you can remember over here. This is Indravati. Now Mahanadi's tributary also we have to focus over here, guys. See this Mahanadi. Mahanadi will be joined by certain rivers, but we are not concerned about it. But we will be seeing the tributary. This is the route of Mahanadi. You find. Okay. This is the route of Mahanadi. Okay, this is the route. Now, देखो, again you see certain important places as well. Mahanadi is flowing from Cuttack, from near about Bhubaneswar, capital city. One of the branch will follow in Puri also. These are the area, Kendrapara area, from where Mahanadi is flowing. Next, when you will be doing the national parks, again I am saying this national parks, your environment faculty will be dealing in much better way because that is their area to see. But even if you want me to do these national parks as well, I'll be making this a separate video. I'll see to it that I can make a separate video about the national parks as well. But whoever will be teaching you about the national parks, try to have this mindset that over here, near around Mahanadi, how far that national park is. If that national park is included in this Mahanadi river already passing through that national park as well or not. Like this you have to see. Okay? Like for example, you will be finding Satkoshia Tiger Reserve, Bhitarnika Mangroves Forest over here you will be finding, Simlipal you will be finding, right? तो ये सारे mark करने हैं आपने इस तरीके से. Right now I cannot merge all these information, guys. ठीक है, I have already told you also, because that will be counterproductive then, because this I am making the video keeping in mind that for the first time people are trying to learn in a better way. For them also I am making it. ठीक है. So this is Mahanadi, I have told you. Now Mahanadi's tributary one, Sionath, you will be finding, guys, Sionath. So this you will be finding over here. Second tributary Hasdo, Hasdo. Third tributary Mand. So these are the tributaries you will be finding in Chhattisgarh itself. Okay. Then you will be finding over here this. Let me show you from here as well. There go. Sionath. This is Mahanadi main. Hasdo, Mand, and this is Ib over here, guys. Ib. Hirakud Dam over here. Ib, and this is the flow. Now from the, this is the, if the flow is like this is the left bank tributaries. Okay. The right bank tributaries are Ong, Tel. Ong is flowing like this, Tel is flowing like this. So Ong, Tel you can remember as the right bank tributaries. Okay. See the map over here. Now you must be understanding that this is your Mahanadi. Over here you have seen Sionath, and from below Ong, Tel, from above Sionath, Mand, Ib. Right, all these are the tributaries of Mahanadi, guys. Okay. Now let me show you one map also now with a different perspective, that where are one coal mines over here. Now this is one map I have found out for you so that you can see some of the places. Not every place is important. These are in detail maps, and I have taken it out from certain government websites. Like I've searched a lot about the in detail maps of Mahanadi and Brahmani so that we can have a better idea. Right. So when you will be seeing over here, see Hirakud Dam. Near about this you will be finding Sambalpur. Okay. See the important places. Then river Mahanadi is flowing like this. Then near around Cuttack you will be finding important place. Then that will be branched out over here and it will be flowing to this Paradeep port as well. Right. So this you remember. Above river Brahmani. In between that you are finding that coal mines. You will be finding different type of coal mines, and this you will be learning in your minerals. Right. And near around this Brahmani, you are finding one important place, that is Talcher. Talcher, important place, guys. Okay. So this also you keep in your mind over here, guys. Okay. So again, Sionath, Hasdo, Mand, Eb, Jonk is also one more tributary if you want to take Jonk, Ong, Tel. Okay. Now these are in Chhattisgarh, and these are in your, you will be finding somewhere emerging from Chhattisgarh and merging in Odisha. Now, not important that where are the tributaries emerging from. Again, because this is again, you have to see it from a examination perspective, and smaller river system की भी tributaries नहीं पूछी जाएंगे direct. ठीक है. So this is a one river system we have got over with. That is the most important over here, your Mahanadi, your Brahmani, Baitarani, Subranekha, Damodar, Barakar, Sionath, and sorry, not Sionath, but over here you will be finding South Koel and Shank, North Koel. Hasdo, over here you will be finding Sionath, Mand, Ib, Jonk, Ong, Tel. Right? Try to learn it by pausing the video what you have seen. Try to draw it as well. Right? Now this was the major east flowing rivers. Now you try to understand that the origination of all these rivers were somewhere here, were somewhere here. Are these the part of Eastern Ghats? Now Eastern Ghats is over here, guys. These are the Eastern Ghats over here. These are the Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats are not this. This is the mainland India. This is the plateau region you will be finding. Okay, so now if you will see this type of question, will you be able to solve it? Though you have to know about a lot of rivers. Subramekha emerges from the Chotanagar Nagpur plateau or that particular plateau of Jharkhand. So that is not originating from Eastern Ghats. Brahmani, not originating from Eastern Jharkhand. That's why even if you know Jharkhand is in not in the Eastern Ghats, you will understand that these two rivers cannot originate from Eastern Ghats. Right? So this you have to see over here. Now next I am going to show you some rivers of Andhra, small rivers over here, some small rivers of Andhra and Tamil Nadu, and by that you will be having this eastern sphere, east flowing rivers on your tips, guys. Right? Now let me show you the Andhra rivers. So for that I have took you to the Andhra map, and Andhra map is list. Now every state will be having n number of rivers. That's why I'm telling you, and I'm finding some core maps of a particular state. That's why there will be huge information. But how you have to see? देखो गोदावरी, there should not any confusion. In between Kollaru Lake you will be finding. Then you are finding over here the Krishna river as well. ठीक है, Krishna. There should be no confusion about it as well. ठीक है. But there are now n number of rivers which are mentioned over here. First river which you have to see is your over here in the top. In the top there are two major rivers, and this top river is basically Srikakulam district. It is over here Srikakulam district. So I am opening up that district, guys. This is Srikakulam. Okay, this is Srikakulam. Now over here you will be finding one river which is flowing and which is rising from the eastern ghats, that is Vamsadhara. Can you see Vamsadhara? This is Vamsadhara, guys. Vamsadhara. So it is one important river over here. Now there are n number of rivers. Again I am saying all these small rivers we cannot do it. है ना, बोलने को मैं मार्क कराने को ये करा सकता हूँ, ऐसे मेरे को इतना टाइम लगेगा मार्क करने में, गोला लगाने में. बट दिस टाइप ऑफ टीचिंग आई डोंट प्रेफर, गाइस, बिकॉज देन आई ऑल्सो नो दैट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिमेंबर इट. सो इट इज फ्यूटाइल टू टेल यू अबाउट ऑल अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन. अदरवाइज आई कैन मार्क एन नंबर ऑफ रिवर्स ओवर हियर, आई कैन मार्क ऑल द रिवर्स ओवर हियर. ठीक है, बिकॉज आई हैव जस्ट टू मार्क एंड मूव ऑन. But I am not focusing upon that. I am focusing upon what you can remember. What I have remembered, also you can have that thing on your mind. Okay. So Vamsadhara important. Next is you will be finding Nagavali river, guys. Nagavali river. So somewhere in this particular part, Nagavali river you will be finding. Okay, Nagavali. So this is not the entire map of Andhra again. This is the upper district of Andhra, that is Srikakulam. ठीक है, यहाँ आप गए, ये अपर डिस्ट्रिक्ट को मैंने फोकस किया, तो यहाँ पर आपको एक वंशाधारा मिला, देन नागवली. सो व्हाट इज द पैटर्न, व्हाट इज द क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वंशाधारा, देन नागवली ओवर हियर. नाउ आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड टू गो थ्रू ऑल दीज पर्टिकुलर थिंग, बट गोदावरी यू नो, ठीक है, कृष्णा यू नो. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज पन्नेरू, गाइस. पिन्नार also you say it, Pinnar. So this is Pinnar over here, or sometimes written as Pennaru also. So Pennaru it is written. This is important. And it is flowing in the southern Andhra. This is the merge over. This is Telangana and over here Andhra. Okay. So Penneru, Krishna, Godavari, Nagavati, Vamsadhara you should know. Now you see this question. Nagavali, Vamsadhara. Next time they can ask you to arrange the order as well, and this is a favorite question of CAPF and CDS as well, right? So keep in mind like this also. Eastern Ghat se kaun rise karta hai? Now you are sure about these two, that these two will not rise, so you are left with the help of option. That's why it was solvable, right? Now you see the Tamil Nadu region. In Tamil Nadu also we have a number of rivers, guys, but we will be focusing upon few. First of all, Pallar you see. Second over here, देखो Kaveri, we all know Kaveri is this branched out over here. Pallar, so above Kaveri and below Kaveri you remember like this, Pallar, right? Then Vellar over here, very important, Vellar. And if I ask you that where was the Pallavas region was from, Pallavas region, when you will be reading NCRTs or if you will be reading from me, you will be understanding that these were between two rivers. One was Pennar and Vellar over here. So the Pallavas were residing between these two rivers initially. ठीक है. So these two, Vellar is over here, Pennar is in Andhra. ठीक है. I hope you are understanding. Then below Kaveri you are having this important river as Vegai. Vegai. So Vegai is in below particular you will be finding Kaveri, and this you will be finding Ramanathapuram over here district. So this is a Vegai which is flowing over here, guys. So Vegai is flowing from an important town, that is Madurai. That means when Pandyas, they can connect historical facts over here. Pandya's capital was Madurai. So one important river which was flowing was Vegai. Now this type of connectivity you have to do. When you will be studying the ancient history, when you will be studying all these topics of Pallavas, Kanchi, Cholas, right, Mahabalipuram, all these places you try to see, guys. देखो कांची यहाँ पर है, मदुरई यहाँ पर है, थंजौर कहाँ पर मिलेगा आपको, वो भी साउथ में मिलेगा, not above, right? So like this you have to enhance your knowledge. ठीक है, you have to like consolidate your knowledge also, enhance it and then keep in your mind in a right way. Random पढ़ोगे तो random it will not happen like that. ठीक है. So in Tamil Nadu I have told you to remember Pallar, Vellar, Kaveri, Vegai. ठीक है. Now if I make you the chart over here, and if we will learn what we have made over here, then you will be finding uh, first of all Hooghly, over here Barakar, over here Damodar, Barakar, Subranekha, Patrani, South Koyal, Shank, Brahmani, Mahanadi branched out, Sionath, Hasdo, Mand, Ib, Jonk, Ong, Ib, Tel, right? I'm getting confused. Jonk, Ong, Tel, right? Then you have Vamsadhara, Nagavali, Pennar over here, in between two Krishna and Godavari. Oh, sorry, Godavari and Krishna, major rivers. Then over here you will be finding Vellar over here, right? Then Kaveri, below Kaveri you will be finding Vegai. And one more river I am missing, you should remember that too. So ye wala part you will be finding over here, like Pellar and then Vellar. Okay, remember that. Above that you will have Pennar, so don't get confused. Pennar, Palar, Vellar. ठीक है, like this question can double V is over here, Vegai and Vellar. ठीक है, so understand like this, guys. Now we have covered the eastern important small flowing rivers. Now you know that if I ask you Vegai is flowing in the Indian Ocean, in the Arabian Sea, no, it is flowing in the Bay of Bengal. It is flowing in Andhra or Odisha, no, it is flowing in lower Tamil Nadu. ठीक है, like this information is needed. Now let us see first of all the Gujarat region, then some of the Maharashtra over here, some of the Karnataka region, and some of the rivers of Kerala, smaller flowing rivers. Okay? And these are basically then where it will be emerging from Western Ghats. And not all rivers will be emerging from Western Ghats. Okay? Now this map I have found out for you guys. Now don't worry, I also don't know this particular Gujarati language, but those who know, this might be helpful for them. But what I am trying to tell you that this in detail information map which I have found is important from Gujarat state basis point of view. You don't have to do it, but I have pointed it out over here. Why? Because there are n number of rivers which you can refer, but we will be referring to only important one. Okay? And that I'll be telling you from this map, right? So over here you will be finding first of all the Gujarat map over here. First of all, see the outline. Try to pause the video and try to understand that, try to tell me that how many states this Gujarat state is touching, guys. And this exercise right now you might find it futile, but if question comes like this, then you will see the importance of it, guys. Okay. Now this is Gulf of Kutch, this is Gulf of Khambat, Cambay also you can see. And there are a lot of districts also which are visible. Now first river which I want you to focus over here with respect to Gujarat is the Sabarmati river, Sabarmati. Or before doing Gujarat, let me just explain you. Chalo, Gujarat hum pehle kar lete hain, then we will be finding another important rivers like Narmada and Tapi as well. Because iska point, mouth is over here, right? So we have to see as well, that as well. Okay. Now you will be finding that Sabarmati is somewhere coming from Rajasthan. That means the origin is in Rajasthan. And you will be finding that over here, Rajasthan, Western Ghats it will be emerging from. And which particular district of Rajasthan? You will be finding Udaipur. Right, from here, Sabarmati will be emerging somewhere like this, guys, over here. Right, Sabarmati. Okay. Right, and it will be flowing like this and will be merging over here. So which Sabarkantha district, Gandhinagar also, Ahmedabad also it is passing from. Right, so these are important districts which you will be finding with respect to Sabarmati, important. And then Sabarmati, lot of tributaries will also be there, guys. Now there is one more river which is coming over here, and that is your Mahi river. Now Mahi, देखो, this is the origination of Sabarmati. This will be the origination of Mahi, guys. And Mahi river originated from the Madhya Pradesh district, that is Dhar district. Let me show you the Madhya Pradesh map. See, this is Dhar district over. This is Madhya Pradesh map. Only see where I am letting you show. This is Dhar. From here, Mahi will be emerging like this. Okay, and it will be flowing from Rajasthan, then Gujarat. And when it is flowing like this, it will be cutting one line twice, and that is Cancer, Tropic of Cancer, it will be cutting twice. And this is one fixed overrated question, बार बार पूछा जाता है, which of the river cuts the Tropic of Cancer twice, and that is Mahi, guys. Okay. So Mahi you will be finding not over here. I was telling you over here. This is Madhya Pradesh because, okay. So Mahi you will be finding somewhere like this and will be merging over here, right? See, this is the exact route Mahi. Like this, you are going to find it and merging over here, right? Sabarmati is coming from here and merging over here. Okay. Now these are ephemeral rivers. ये कहीं ना कहीं बीच में when the rainfall is not that much that it basically लुप्त हो जाती हैं. These get lost over here, right? So this you will be understanding. There is one more river which you will be finding originating from just wait, from Rajasthan and will be basically getting eloped or getting ephemeral over here. That is Luni river which will be emerging from the Rajasthan, guys. ठीक है. So it will be getting lost over here because the flow is not that much. But from here, like this, you will be finding the Luni river. This is Sabarmati. This is over here, you will be finding the Mahi river. Now you see a lot of rakas of river over here, guys. Okay. Now we don't have to see all the rivers again. Good part is this. But small rivers we have to focus upon. For example, first of all, this is over here in between Rajkot district, and from here you will be finding one important hill that is known as the Mandav Hills. Mandav Hills. And from all round you will be finding certain important rivers like, let me show you, like over here. First of all, you will be remembering about this river of Bhogovo, guys. See this Bhogovo river. Bhogovo. Okay, this is Bhogovo. Bhogovo. I'll be zooming it out, but Bhogovo you can write. Okay. Next, you will be finding one river as Shetrunji. So just remember that these are the rivers from Gujarat. Not exact thing you have to remember. Shetrunji. Alright. Then over here you will be finding Ozal river. Ozal. This is Ozal over here. Ozal. Right. So these three rivers are important from here. Ozal, Shetrunji. Over here what you have seen, Bhogovo. Okay. From here Sabarmati is coming. From here Mahi is coming, and from here Luni is coming. More than important, guys. But I can make you mark also all these rivers, but not very important. The cost benefit is not right. But if Kutch region, if you want to see Rukmavati, if you want to learn Rukmavati, you can learn it, guys. Okay. Otherwise, these are important part. So in Gujarat, when I'm seeing you, when I'm letting you see this particular part over here, then you are understanding somewhere, or let me just draw it like this. Okay, somewhere you are understanding Luni, Sabarmati, Mahi, double cut. Then over here Bhogovo, Shetrunji and Ozal, right? And from here two rivers in Gujarat will also be there, that is Narmada and Tapi, which is going to come. So I'll be explaining you first Narmada and Tapi, and then you will be finding that near Bharuch and near Surat you will be finding these two rivers, Narmada and Tapi. Let us see their origin point first of all. And they are one important rivers for this region originating in Madhya Pradesh. So we have to go and open up the Madhya Pradesh map. So see this Madhya Pradesh map, guys, and over here you will be finding first the origination of Narmada. Okay, now they have not mentioned it correctly over here. You will be finding that they will be the rise of Narmada will be happening somewhere over here, and this is Makal range, guys, Makal range. And on this Makal range, you will be finding one plateau, that is Amarkantak plateau. So this is the source of Narmada. Write it down, Amarkantak plateau, Makal range. And from here, Narmada will be originating, flowing through Jabalpur, Narsimpur, Hoshangabad, and then it will be flowing like this and entering Gujarat state from here. This particular part was the Yamuna river system, which I have already explained you. I hope you remember it, right? So above Narmada, you will be finding there is Vindhyas, below it Satpura. So it is flowing through the Rift Valley. Tapi is also flowing through the Rift Valley, right? Now this below Tapi you are finding, and it is flowing from, originating from the Betul district. Okay. So from the Betul district of Madhya Pradesh, it will be flowing like this, border between Maharashtra, flowing in Maharashtra for a certain time period, then entering into Gujarat. Over here, both the rivers will be entering into Gujarat. So let me show you the Gujarat map again. This is Gujarat map, guys. So Narmada is coming somewhere like making border between Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and flowing like this in Bharuch region, touching Vadodara also. So these are the region which are near to Narmada. Whereas Tapi is flowing from the district of Surat over here. So this is important. Surat place you will be finding with respect to Tapi. ठीक है. Now your Gujarat map is completed over here. Your Madhya Pradesh you have seen Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, Sabarmati, Luni, Bhogovo, Shetronchi, and over here you have seen Ozal. ठीक है. These are more than enough. ठीक है. These are the things which you have to keep in mind, that these are flowing over here. These are with respect to Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and your Gujarat. This should be the mindset guys. ठीक है. Now you see some important rivers of Goa. And Goa, when you will be finding one important river is Mandovi, written in your NCRT, and Zuari, guys. Zuari. Okay, so these are the two rivers which you have to remember from Goa. Okay, see this Mandovi river. Different map. I have searched it out for you, and this is Zuari river. Nearby you will be finding this Marmagao port as well, right? Not very important, other information you will be finding. Okay. Next you are coming to Karnataka, and Karnataka, when you will be seeing again a lot of rivers, but this Malprabha, Ghatprabha, Dudganga, Panchganga we have done, right? Over here you see the east flowing or west flowing. This is Kali Nadi, first of all. Kali Nadi. So over here you will be finding Kali Tiger Reserve also. Okay, just wait. तो जब टाइगर रिजर्व और नेशनल पार्क देखोगे तो देखना इसे काली नदी. ठीक है. You will be finding one river known as Sharavati river, and on Sharavati river you are going to see Jog Falls. Jog Falls, right? This you will be understanding over here. ठीक है. This is Tungabhadra, so we have already seen this. And then there is one more Netravati. In the end you will be finding Netravati. If you want to do it you can do, otherwise you can leave this Netravati. Sharavati, Kali Nadi, more than enough guys. ठीक है. Then you will be coming down and you will be finding Kerala. Now in Kerala, this is the Kerala map. This is the Kerala map, right? A lot of rivers again there are. But only important, like Puza, you will be finding Kerala over here. Okay, one more river like this particular Mupali Puza, and one more Bharat Puza you will be there seeing over here. So if Puza word is coming, that is related to Kerala over here. Okay. But the important river of Kerala you will be finding, that is Periyar. In where there, this is Periyar guys, Periyar. Important, learn this Periyar. यहीं पर आपको Periyar Tiger Reserve also you will find. Now these are the lakes, these are the Ramsar side, Vembanad Lake, Kayamku, Periyar Lake over here. Right, this we will be seeing in the lakes separate lecture. Right, over here you will be finding what I have told you. Periyar you have to remember, Mupali Puza, Bharat Puza you will be seeing, that Malam Puza over here you will be seeing. Okay, then over here a lot of tiger reserves you are going to see, the Prambukulam, and over here a lot of tiger reserve which you have to find, but from the another perspective. Okay, so these are the major rivers which we have covered, major smaller river system which we have covered guys, right? So if you will be seeing over here that Periyar you have to remember from here, then Puza you will be finding, Kali Nadi, Sharavasti, and Indravati if you want to know. Then Maharashtra you will not be finding any major river, but Zuari and Mandovi. Over here you will be finding Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, Sabarmati, Shetronchi, or Bhogovo, Shetronchi, and Ojal, right? Luni like this, Sabarmati you will be flowing like this over here, and Narmada over here, Tapi over here. This you have seen. From here don't forget Damodar, Barakar, Shank, South Koel, Brahmani, Baitarani, Subramekha. And from upper side you will be finding that there will be North Koel, and over here there will be Mahanadi, and the tributaries are Shionath, or basically this is Mand, Ib, Shionath, and one more tributary was there, and Jonk, Ong, Tel. Okay. Now you can do revision like this, but we have seen them deeply also, that how this was flowing. अभी आपके लिए 5 मिनट revision map होना चाहिए, right? Over here Vamsadhara, Nagavali, Pennar, you will be finding over here Palar, Velar, Kaveri, Vegai. Alright, and this you have to do it guys, because these are ignored by everyone. Everyone is studying in greater detail about Indus, about Ganga, about Brahmaputra. Everybody is studying in greater detail, but you have to see the smaller river system as well. That is where you can beat the competition. This is your over here Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. ठीक है. So this is whole your outlay of the river system which we have tried to cover elaboratively in 4 lectures, guys, or in 5 lectures. You will be fine. If you want any other lecture with respect to Indian mapping series, you can comment. If you are following it, if you're really liking it, then do also mention it, guys, so that I will also know and get motivated that you people are watching it sincerely. Okay, guys, thank you so much. With respect to this, we are over with the river system, guys.